Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will learn about adding music. In the previous video, we learnt about to add images in the game window. And here is the code of this. So first we have to use the image.load function and give the full path to the image, and then we have to blit it. Blitting means to set the x and y coordinates on the screen, which means to place the image somewhere on the screen. And if we run it, we can see a good image. Let's imagine that this was a game. So if this was a game, it would be boring without any background music. So let's add the background music to it. So to add a background music, first we need to import a module, which is this from Pygame import mixer. So mixer is a module inside Pygame library, and we will write from Pygame import mixer because we are importing mixer from Pygame. So this from statement is very important, and after we have imported this mixer in from Pygame, we will initialize it also. So let's start coding then. We will write first, we will do the same as pygame.image.load, but instead of image, we will load a music. And we will do it by mixer.music.load. So notice that in this statement, there is no use of Pygame because mixer is a separate module. So now we will give the path name, path to that, and we will in the last we will add the and the last we will add the music's name, which is in my case music.mp3. Now we have imported the music. We will now we can if we want to set the volume to it, we can set the volume by mixer dot music dot set underscore volume, and this will set the sorry this is spelling is wrong, and this will set the volume. So the volume is from 0 to 1.0, so we can give the volume from 0 to 1.0. For now I'm giving it 0.5 for now, and then we want the music to play, and it will play only by this command mixer.music.play. Now it will play the music. Now this when we this play the music, now this music will only stop when the music will end. But what if we want to stop the music, pause the music or exit the music loop? So we can do it by here going into the while to loop and creating an if else statement. So first we will print out something so that user knows what he have to do to pause or unpause the music. So we will print press P to pause and comma press R to resume. So this P function will pause the music and R function will resume the music. And then we want a function press E to exit. So if the user presses P, the music has to pause, and if he presses R, the music has to resume. And if the user presses E, the music has to stop completely. Now the this Python will not know automatically that that it has to pause or resume on these commands. So we will take the user input, and we can take it by input, and simply we can just, and we can put this input function in a variable called query, or any variable you want. Then we will create if else statement. So if query, so query is this input function. If query is equal to p, then we have to music sorry mixer dot music dot pause. So this mixer dot music dot pause will pause the music. So it will only pause then when there is a p input. Elif query equals to r, then we have to mixer dot music dot unpause. So this unpause will resume the music or unpause it. Elif query equals to e, then we have to mixer dot music dot stop. So this will stop the music. Then we will break it. So this break function will, like it will, when it will stop the running output, and if you don't want the output to stop, so you can erase break, but I want the input output to stop, so I will type break. Now let's run it. So the image is not coming for a reason, I don't know why. I think there's some problem, but anyways, let's see what is the problem here. So it is showing the error in line 28. Here is the, sorry, 20. I think this is because, let's do it empty only. So you can hear the music playing, and if you want to stop the pause the music, we can type it p here, like here you can see, and this will pause the music. And if we press r here, it will unpause the music, and if we press e here, it will stop the music. So if you can make changes according to you. If you want anything else here instead of p, r and e, you can do it. And if you want the volume to be changed, you can do it that as well. And this is this much for today. And if you liked my video, please give a like, and for more videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Happy coding. Bye.